In this video, we'll talk about if-else. Now, what exactly if-else is, let's say in your software you want to take some decision. Depending upon the condition, you want to decide the flow of your code. Now, when you talk about if-else, it is also called as branching statement. Now, what branching means is, depending upon the condition, it will change the flow of your code. Now, to look or to see how exactly if-else works, let's take a question. We need to find the a given number. Is it a odd number or a even number? So let's say I have a variable is num, and the value of this num is 5. So my work here is to check the variable num has the value which is even or odd. Now before going for even or odd, there's a concept of mod. Now what exactly this mod means? This mod is the remainder, which means let's say you're dividing a number. Let's say if you divide a number 5 divided by 2, the remainder you will be getting is it's 1, right? Now so let's say if I write if, I need to check if my num mod 2. Now what exactly this percentage sign is? It is mod, which will give you the remainder. If my num mod 2 is equal to 1, which means the number should be odd number, I will say system.out.println. I will print it's a odd number. Now see the signature. You have to write a keyword called as if. It's a block in which you have to check for the condition num percentage 2. This percent means mod. It will give you the remainder. If it is 1. Now why double equal to is because single equal to means assignment and double equal to means condition, and then we'll print odd number. Otherwise then we have to say else. If this is false, because if will always check for a number which is true or false. If this is true, it will execute this thing and then it will come out. So it will come out here. But let's say if this condition is false, it will jump to else condition and then we'll print here. Let me just reuse the code. Let's say copy and paste it here, and this time we'll say instead of odd number we'll say this is an even number. Simple. And now let me just run this code. We'll say right click, run as Java application. You can see the output is odd number because we are writing here 5. Let's say my input is 6. Now 6 is an even number, right? So if I run this, run as a Java application, the answer is even number. So this is how we have to work with if and else.